Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch Review. The Fed's hawkish pivot occurred a few weeks prior to yesterday's FOMC meeting. This confirmed what the market had largely expected. Yesterday saw U.S. stocks rally and futures indicate a gap larger opening today. Large Asian bourses are led by a 2% rally at the Nikkie advance. The yen is the leader, while the dollar has held above JPY 114.00. The week's highest euro, $1.1325, has been surpassed by the euro. Gold recovered yesterday after reaching $1,755, but seems to be stuck at $1,787 today. January WTI is stable, but within a narrow range of $71.40 to $71.95. The price of U.S. natural gas continues to rise for the second session, but it is still below $4. There are three developments worth noting in Japan. The November trade balance declined as per the seasonal pattern. Second, the Tankan survey indicated that while there is some momentum in the economy, it is not clear if any fundamental turn has been made. For the second week in a row, foreign investors purchased Japanese bonds in size JPY 1.16 trillion. For the first time since November 25, it has been above JPY 114.00. Australia saw a remarkable improvement in its labor market last month. The Australian dollar continues to build on yesterday's recovery. It is currently testing the $0.7200 zone. German services were particularly weak. The aggregate manufacturing PMI fell to 58.0 from 58.4. The aggregate services PMI fell to 53.3 from 55.9. The Delta surge also appears to have impacted the UK preliminary PMI. The composite is now at 53.2, down from 57.6. Tomorrow, the UK will report November retail sales and an expected 0.8% increase. Yesterday's recovery of the euro was impressive after it fell to $1.1220, a new monthly low. Market expectations were confirmed by the Fed. The Fed doubled the pace at which tapering is taking place. It will take place at the end Q1 22. The Fed's inflation and growth profiles were updated, and the median forecast for next year now calls for 3 hikes. Today, the U.S. reports a variety of data. This includes weekly initial jobless claims, as well as housing starts and permits, and the Philly Fed manufacturing survey. Next comes the manufacturing output and industrial production figures. The preliminary PMI is next, and then the Kansas Fed manufacturing survey. Yesterday, the U.S. dollar fell against the Canadian dollar, but it did so after rising to nearly CAD 1.2940. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.